Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karolji Orchid School. I am Pooja Rajmani. I am your computer teacher. We started our lesson number 3. We solve skill sheet. What we solve? Firstly we will see this. First number question is fill in the blanks. What is the first number question? The commander window consists of recall list box and input box. The small triangle inside the logo screen is called turtle. Logo is a simple program used to draw figures. HT command hides the turtle from the screen. The commands are typed in input box. Second one question. Write true or false. State true or false. You can type logo command in capital or small letter. True. You need not leave a space between a command and number of steps. False. FD primitive move the turtle forward. True. CL primitive clear the logo screen. False. RT command move the turtle towards the left. False. It is essential to press the enter key or execute button after typing the primitives. True. Now write the program to draw the figure as shown below and then type the commands to verify the output. First one, for this figure, what is the commands? LT90, FD100, RT90, FD150. For second one, LT90, FD100, RT90, FD70, RT90, FD100, LT90, FD70, LT90, FD100, and last one for hide turtle HT. Now match the pairs. Show turtle ST, hide turtle HT, forward FD, back BK, right RT, left LT, clear screen CS and clear text CT. Now label the parts of MSW logo screen. First one is the menu bar, title bar, graphics window, turtle, control buttons, input box, recall list box, and input box and recall list box consist in a commander window. Now we will see our next part. Next question. What is the question? Complete the following program. We have to write the triangle. Means we have to write missing commands. What is the first one command they given? RT. Then we have to write this missing command. Then RT120. Then FD100. Then missing and then FD100. What will come? RT30. What is the step? When RT finish then? Good. FD100. Why FD100? Because triangle having 3 sides and in that 2 sides are already given, then one side is FD100. Then RT120, then FD100, then what will come when FD finish? Yes, RT120. Then what is the program for triangle? RT30, FD100, RT120, FD100, RT 120, FD 100. Then second one, FD 100, FD 100. Then what will come? LT or RT? Yes, ELT will come. ELT 90, ELT 90, and then FD 100. For L shape, not only EL shape, opposite side of the L shape, first one is given FD 100, then LT 90, and then FD 100. Now third one, everyone know this program for drawing the square. How to draw the square? FD 60, FD 60, then RT 90, then FD 60, then RT 90, FD 60, and last step is RT 90. Fourth program is full program is wrong. Then cut this and downside write full program. LT 90, FD 100, underline to the FD 100. LT 90, FD 50, LT 90, FD 100, RT 90, FD 50, RT 90, FD 100. Yes, by mistakenly it's come only FD 100. What is the first one program? RT 30, FD 100, RT 120, FD 100, RT 120, FD 100. What is the second one? FD 100, LT 90, FD 100. Then third one, FD 60, RT 90, FD 60, RT 90, FD 60, RT 90, FD 60. Then last one program, LT 90, FD 100, LT 90, FD 50, LT 90, FD 100, RT 90, FD 50, RT 90, FD 100. Don't write this S. Write down fast. Cross this program, fourth one program, cross this, and downside this figure you having some space. Downside here you having space, then draw little bit program here and little bit here. Do two parts and write down there. Write down fast. Now next question, question number 7. Correct the primitives. What is the first one? FD 50. What is wrong in that? What is wrong in that? No. See properly. Then you get the mistake. What is the mistake in that? Yes, good. There is no space between FD and 50. Means there is no space between numbers and primitives. Then how to write? FD, then little bit space, and then 50. What is the second one? RT 40 continuously. How to write this? RT, then give space, and then 40. For third one also same. BK, then space, and then 70. What is the wrong in D? What is wrong in D question? LT50. What is wrong in that? Yes, there is a too much space. Then we have to write only. We have to give only single space. LT50. And what is the last one? FD 50 steps. 50 number means step only. But we are writing steps. No, we are not writing in front of their steps. Then how to write? FD, then space, and then 50. Write down fast. What is the first one? FD, then space, then 50. RT space 40. BK space 70. LT single space 50. FD single space 50. Clear? Write down fast. Write down fast. You must have to complete with me, but if you not complete, then when I send you PDF, that time complete. And you have to solve in Skillshare by using pencil. Don't use pen. Then at one question, write the correct answers from the given option. Write the correct answers from given option. Options are there and we have to write the correct answers. For answers, space is there. What is the first one question? You can see the output on the screen. Where we can see the output? On the screen. What do you call that screen? Input box, graphic window, commander window, recall list box. What do you call that? Yes, we call the graphic window. GRAPHICS, graphics window. WINDOW, graphics window. Then second one, inside the input box, inside the output screen, there is a small triangle called. Inside the output screen there is a small triangle. What do you call that small triangle? Yes, it is turtle. What is the spelling of turtle? TURTLE. And what are the options? Mouse, turtle, tortoise or logo. What do you call the small triangle? Turtle. TURTLE, turtle. Now third one question. You are having this third one question on page number 29. See, instructions or commands given on the screen of the commander window of MSW logo, where we write the instructions or command. In primitives, recall list box, input or output, where we write instructions or command given on the screen of the commander window of MSW logo. Instructions or commands, where we can see instructions or command in the recall list box. And command used to move the turtle to the forward. Command used to move the turtle to the forward. Forward, backward, right, left. Command used to move the turtle forward. Which command is useful for going to forward? Yes, forward command is useful. FORWARD, forward. Now last one, command used to clear the screen. Command used to clear the screen. How to clear the screen? Which command is useful for the clear the screen? CS, CT, ST, HT. Which command? Yes, CS command is useful for clear the screen. What is the first one? You can see the output on the screen. It's called graphics window. Inside the output screen, there is a small triangle called turtle. Instructions or command given on the screen of the commander window of MSW logo is recall list box. Command used to move the turtle forward. Forward command is useful. Command used to clear the screen. CS command is useful. Now next one question. Answer the following. Answer the following. First one question. How can you draw line in logo? How can you draw line in logo? Which command is useful for drawing line in logo? Yes, by using FD command. And means what? By using FD command means that is IE means that is FD 100. FD 100. Which command, which line is used, which command is useful for draw the lines? FD. By using FD command we can draw the line, and IE means that is FD 100. How we can write the command? FD space and then 100. Now second one. What is the use of home command? What is the use of home command? Why we are using the home command? By using home command, we go back to its starting position. Means by using the home command, we can take our cursor to the home position. Last one. How is clear screen command is different from clear text command? What is the difference between clear screen command and clear text command? CS means clear screen. Clear screen command or CS command is useful for clear all screen. Clear screen command, clear all screen. And clear text CT command, clear the commands in the recall list box. Clear screen command is clear all screen. Clear text command, clear the commands in the recall list box. What is the first one question? How we can draw line in logo? By using FD command, that is FD 100. How to write? For example, FD 100. Next one. What is the use of home command? What is the use of home command? By using home command, we go back to its starting position. What is the third one question? How is clear screen command is different from clear text command? How is clear screen command is different from clear text command? Clear screen. What is the short form of clear screen? CS. CS command clear all the screen, and clear text command means CT command clear the commands in the recall list box. 10th one question. Draw the following shapes in MSW logo. It is the lab activity. We have to draw these shapes in computer room. Now last one question. It is also lab activity, but we will draw here. Type the following command and observe the output on the MSW logo screen window, and then draw that figure in the shape provided beside the commands. Means we have to see the output and then we have to draw the figure what will come. We will write here. What is the first one? FD 50 RT 90 FD 50 RT 90 FD 50 then RT 90 and then FD 50. What we can see here? One square. We can see square. Then this square we can draw here. We will draw here like that. Like that. Here downside HT is not here. That's why we can see the figure like that. If we write here HT height turtle, then we can not see this turtle. This is the first one figure. What is the output for first one figure? Small square. Now we will write second one. CS CT. What is the output? What is the question? FD 100 RT 90 FD 100 RT 90 FD 100 RT 90 FD 100. Then what is the output we can see? We can see square only, but it is big than the first one figure. Output is same, but size is different. Small square and big square. Small square, big square. Small square, big square. Now third one, CS CT. Now third one, FD 100 RT 45 FD 100 RT 45 FD 100 RT 45 FD 100 RT 45, FD 100, RT 45, FD 100, RT 45, then FD 100, RT 45, and then last one FD 100, second last one FD 100, and last one RT 45. You can see what is it, how many sides are there? Count it. The third one figure is like that. Third one figure like that. You have to draw by using pencil and scale. Now last one we will see. What is the first one? FD 100, RT 60, 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 and last one FD 100. You can see what it is, how many sides, write the count how many sides, 6 sides having this figure. Now what is the output for this figure? First one square, small square, second one big square, then this type of figure, and then last one it having 6 sides. Now what is the homework for you? Complete your skill sheet. If you not complete with me, then no problem, I will send you PDF. That time complete your skill sheet, read the lesson and underline the hard words. We will start our next chapter in next period. Till that time, take care. Thank you.